Hey there! I'm Anne, a digital designer for Ningbo Poyijim Jewelry Company, Ltd., and I'm thrilled to be a part of this amazing company with over 30 years of history and a reputation for high quality and integrity. At Poyijim, we take pride in our specialized electroplating plant, gemstone workshop, casting workshop, grinding workshop, polishing and gemstone setting workshop, quality inspection workshop, and packing workshop. Our commitment to excellence is reflected in every step of our R&D, production, inspection, and selling processes. As a specialized fine jewelry and costume jewelry manufacturer, we provide OEM services to jewelry enterprises both domestically and abroad. Our products have been exported to many countries, including France, the United States, Japan, and Malaysia, and we have built a reputation and trust among our clients. As a digital designer for Poyijim, I am constantly exploring new techniques and technologies to create unique and beautiful pieces of jewelry that tell a story and capture the imagination of the wearer. I am honored to be a part of a company that values creativity, innovation, and excellence. So if you're looking for high-quality jewelry that's made with integrity and a commitment to excellence, Poyijim is the perfect choice for you. We're passionate about what we do, and we can't wait to bring your vision to life.
Everyone, welcome to Poyijim Jewelry. We are a one-stop solution for all your jewelry needs, from concept to finished product. Whether you're looking for rings, pendants, necklaces, earrings, bracelets, pro jewelry, or any other kind of jewelry, we've got you covered. Our factory has all the necessary procedures in place, including design, plating, and shipping, to ensure the highest quality and efficiency of manufacturing. But we don't just stop at providing high-quality products. We also offer personalized services to make your jewelry truly unique. Our design team, consisting of jewelry design masters and skilled setting masters, is equipped with the latest technology, including a German-imported 3D printing rapid molding machine, to bring your inspiration to life. We offer the option to add birthstone and personal engravings to your jewelry, so you can make it truly special and meaningful. Whether you're looking for a special gift for someone you love or a special treat for yourself, we are here to help you create the perfect piece of jewelry. So if you're looking for a reliable and high-quality jewelry OEM or ODM service, look no further. Contact us today to start creating your unique piece of jewelry.